So you want to start collecting fine art for personal, professional, and financial goals, but don't know how. You want to make things better for yourself, your family, and your community. Yes, art makes us happier. It is vital to our daily mental health, problem-solving skills, and productivity. Scientific studies prove that blood flow increases 10% when you gaze at a beautiful painting, just as it increases when you look at someone you love. Art induces a feel-good sensation directly to the brain, which enhances cognition. But did you know that in 2020, total art wealth and collectibles hit $1.7 trillion? Global art sales reached $50 billion, and 60% of art buyers were millennials. So who doesn't want to be in the art space? But how and where do you begin? Spoliarium makes the fine art marketplace approachable, accessible, anxiety-free, and globally inclusive for a diverse local group of artists and patrons, especially younger generations. Fine art collection and exhibition made easy for your personal, professional, and financial goals. We'll help you as you get started. We'll keep the process simple and clear. Together, we empower artists, yourself, and the world. Spoliarium. Art Marketplace Simplified. Rebuild your now.